Welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more interesting stories. A thriving and lucrative area of business: thrifting and reselling. In this episode, we'll explore the world of thrifting, discover how to find great items to sell, and share some tips on how to make the most of your reselling efforts. The idea of thrifting has become increasingly popular in recent years, as people are looking for ways to save money and be environmentally conscious. Thrifting means searching for items at thrift stores, garage sales, and even online marketplaces like eBay or Poshmark. By buying these items at a lower price, you can then sell them for a profit. When searching for items to resell, it's essential to consider the demand, condition, and market value. If you're new to thrifting, start by focusing on popular items that are in high demand. You'll be more likely to find success if you're knowledgeable about the items you're selling and can provide accurate descriptions and photos. There are many platforms available for selling your thrifted items, such as eBay, Poshmark, or even local marketplaces. Be sure to research the different platforms and choose one that works best for you and your customers. Staying consistent and providing excellent customer service are key to building a loyal customer base. Once you've established a reputation for selling high-quality, authentic items, you'll find that your repeat customers will help you grow your business. Thrifting and reselling can be a lucrative venture when approached with the right mindset and skills. By searching for items with demand, condition, and market value in mind, and using reliable platforms to sell your finds, you can succeed in this exciting business. Please subscribe and leave me feedback. Good luck, and happy thrifting!